All right, guys, 1989, 1500 Silverado. Look at this thing. It is clean. Needs a paint job, but the body on it is straight and clean. So there's the original converter that comes on these. Anytime you see one of these converters on them, take it off and put a high flow in their place. They take 90% of the sound away of these trucks. Public service announcement. Anyways, where it comes off the manifolds on each side. Then we put a high flow cat in the place of that converter right there. 3-inch pipe continues, and then 3-inch pipe, some more, and then we put a FLOWMASTER Super 10, single in, dual out, part number 8425152 right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then 2 tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there, into 4-inch angle cut tips, chrome. There'll be a link in the description for them too, right there. Just to finish the look. Come on, nice, clean. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful truck. Do you approve? He approves. There's the original exhaust that was on it that we took off too. So as you guys can see, it looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. 89 Chevy Silverado 1500 with the 350. Much better. Oh yeah. Happy? Yes? Yes, bros. New sound this one. Much better. Go ahead. 108. Sound decibels, 108. Perfect. Nice. Very beautiful. Truck. It's clean. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy Silverado. Check out the paintwork. I like it. It's nice. FLOWMASTER Super 10 high flow cat dual